My dad's in the military, so at a young age, I had to go to the dentist on base, and it was a very bad experience for me. And I've just been scared to death of the dentist ever since, because they were very rough, very non-compassionate at all. And for a little kid, it's scary. That's where my trouble started. When I sit in the waiting room and hear that drill, my hands start sweating, my heart starts beating, and I want to run. I was at work one day, and a good friend of mine had just got a new set of plates. They were beautiful. I mean, they just caught my eye first thing, and I was like, where did you get those? And so she told me she had come to Dr. Receiver, and he was really nice. One thing that she liked about coming was that he stood behind his work. I made an appointment and came in the first time, and I've been coming 5 years now, and I've been to a lot of dentists in between, and I've never been treated this good. I trust Dr. Receiver. He gives me a choice. He doesn't tell me, you're going to do this, you're going to do that. He tells me what the plan is, and he lets me make the decision. The IV sedation is the best thing that I had done. I went to sleep. He did what he was supposed to do, and I woke up. What I wanted was not to feel anything, and I haven't. Even with the surgery with the implants, even coming back and have the other ones put in, I don't feel any pain. He does a very good job of numbing me, and that's what I wanted. The other thing I like about him is he is a perfectionist, and I like that. He wants to make it right. He wants you to feel comfortable, and that's really important. You don't find that anymore. The first initial set of implants that I had, I chose to do 3 instead of 4. They fit perfect. I mean, there was no looseness in it. I mean, I put them in there, and I could barely get them out, because these aren't moving. They're not going anywhere. They fit in there very snug, and I've never really had any problem with them being loose. They've always stayed in when I pop them in and out. I can talk to anybody anywhere and know that my teeth are not going to rattle together. My top teeth are not going to fall down when I'm trying, to have a conversation. And that's confidence that everybody needs. When he said I could eat whatever I wanted, I ate whatever I wanted. I bit in apples, I eat hard candy, I chew gum. I did not baby them. You don't realize how much your smile makes a difference in your appearance. To get up in the morning and look in the mirror and before you brush your teeth and see that smile, that just starts your whole day. It is money well spent, and I would do it again. I have people stop me asking me, are those real? And I always go, no. And then I tell them about Dr. Receiver. I think the biggest fear is walking through the door, because they automatically think, well, I make an appointment and I go through the door and this is what's going to happen. And they're going to be very surprised. But you need to come and at least check it out. That was the hardest thing for me, was coming through the door, And it's a totally different atmosphere. It's very relaxed. That girls know me behind the counter, they call me by my name and everything. And I can call anytime, and that makes a big difference, knowing who you are and coming back, and having them, treat you the way they do. And you kind of like being pampered when you come here, and that interaction with the patients like that, to me, that's what keeps me coming back.